Well, it is week 8, and as you can see, I'm bundled up a little bit because it's cold outside. Guys, it was in the 30s this morning when I got out of bed. I think the low last night was like 34, so as you guys know, that spells bad news for the Bermuda. Welcome to week 8 of the Tifway 419 versus Arden 15 comparison. We're comparing how the lawn goes into dormancy at different rates based on the type of grass, and as you guys can see, the lawn is really not liking that cooler weather. Whereas we definitely had a lot more green last week, I can definitely see a big difference as far as the fall off between last week and this week. If I show you guys, if we look at the difference between my neighbor's lawn, like right over here, and then my lawn, you can see that the color difference is becoming less and less different. So I'm slowly losing the battle, guys. You know, it's gonna pain me. I mean, normally we have some awesome stripe action along here, but again, that also too is going away. I mean, it's still there a little bit, but you know, it's starting to fall off. Not a whole lot I can do, unfortunately. Maybe you guys can come up with, we'll call it like evergreen for Bermuda grass, right? Maybe get the warming blankets out or something. Oh well. All right, so the tree area, this is where you're really gonna see the difference. Let's spend a few seconds here. I'll show you guys that area. So right here, again, that's the tree spot. That's the spot that started this all. Again, that area you can see is still a little bit darker. That's Arden 15. And you can also see a little bit of splotchiness, like a band right in here. That's also darker green. That's the Arden 15. But the splotchiness of where the Tifway 419 took, where the Arden 15 took, and where the Tifway 419 is still the dominant grass, is really showing up here in this shot. If we come over here to the dividing line, that diagonal line I like to show you guys, same kind of thing, guys. Right in this area here, you see it's darker and then splotchy, kind of like a little tire stripe action. And then out here towards the rocks, that area also dark, but also you know, kind of splotchy as well. So it just kind of shows you what's going on with the grass in the back lawn. Onto the swale area and the vanity strip. Also, I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek at Alex's lawn. You see his lawn is also feeling the Nerf bat, the green Nerf bat from fall weather. Not a whole lot we can do about it. His lawn's still looking pretty clean though. If we look at his front lawn, not bad. He's still got some stripe action going on. He mowed the other day, and his lawn is still looking clean as ever. The vanity strip is, you know, let's just say it's not very vanilicious right now. You know, yeah, vanilicious is a new word, something I just invented, but what can you do? And then finally, the swale area, I still got some stripe action here. I'm so happy with that for the most part. That's not looking too bad, but you can see like the dark stripe here, here, that's slowly falling off. So I'm losing the battle, unfortunately. And now, without further ado, I give you the front lawn. Now here's the thing, guys. The front lawn used to be the red-headed stepchild of the lawn. Remember, I like to show you guys the front lawn. I used to say, yeah, you know, the front lawn is a thing, it's there. But now, I've got to show it off. You know, the front lawn has become the pretty girl at the ball, right? Overall, the color is still holding in pretty well. Again, a lot of that has to do with the fact that the sun is now coming up in this part of the sky. So the front lawn is getting a lot more sunlight than it did in the spring and summer months. The tree is still looking like crap, but you know, my goal is to wait till the comments get sufficiently mean, and I'll go out and trim it. Because I figure right now I can still mow the grass, I can still show you guys how the lawn is slowly falling off. And once it finally goes dormant, then I'll deal with that shrub slash tree slash mess area. Well guys, one more look at the front. Again, overall, I'm pretty happy with that. The front is definitely the best looking part of the lawn right now, which you have to think, again, like I said in previous videos, if you have to pick one spot of the lawn to look good, might as well be the front, right? And what's kind of cool, it's kind of weird is at the same time is the back lawn is a lot more splotchy. They both got overseeded at the same rate, but the front just seems to have taken a lot better as far as evenness. We'll see if that holds out as the lawn starts to fall off more. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are getting something out of this series as far as helping you decide for the spring which way you're gonna go, whether you're gonna stay with Tifway 419, whether you're gonna try one of the new Bermuda cultivars, whether you go with Arden 15 or Monaco or something else different, because that's my whole goal, to kind of give you guys knowledge to allow you to make better decisions about what you decide to do with your lawn. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment. If you're not a subscriber, why not? Definitely subscribe, guys. Hit that subscribe button. And if you guys don't know, on Friday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern, I do a live stream where I take your lawn care questions. So if you want to hang out with a bunch of lawn crazy people on Friday night, feel free to look me up there too. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.